In this video, I will show you how to set up a SaaS business with GoHighLevel from scratch. Sign up for the $497 per month SaaS Pro plan and create your account. Then click Connect Stripes and Login. Select or create a Stripe sub-account link. Go to SaaS Configurator. Set a monthly plan like $97 per month and annual plan, for example, $970 per year. Add relevant features like CRM, funnels, email marketing, and reputation management. Avoid overloading plans. Focus on the features aligned with your niche. Use or create industry-specific snapshots with pre-built templates and funnels. Set up the trial and credits like offer a 14-day trial. Allocate credits for texting and calling, for example, $10 per month. Add markups for calls, messages, and other features. Enable features like welcome emails, subscriptions cancellation, and fraud prevention. Add your logo under Settings, Company. Set up a white label domain for your SaaS. To create landing page, use GoHighLevel's templates or build your own pricing and sign-up pages. Launch your SaaS like auto sub-account creation and rebuilding are enabled with your SaaS Pro plan. Market your SaaS to grow monthly recurring revenue. So now you know how to set up SaaS using GoHighLevel. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.